this morning, letting her run around out here in the back field. I have to go shortly to take my sister to go. She's having dental surgery today. And we've got the cows and the gals and the bull over there. We've got Sunstorm, the mama cat. She bit me in the leg really hard when I first tried to tape this. But yep. So that's what we're doing today. Today's Taco Tuesday. You guys have a good day. Bye. I'm walking around the back field to clock it to see how far it is around. It's about 4 acres. And our neighbors have some sheep. The babies go. They all came running over here to look at us, and then some of them scattered. But Coco was very interested. She's moved on. See the egret? He is up there in the middle of the screen. I'm sure as we get closer, he will fly away. Lambs on the run. Lambs are on the run. Oh, look at the little babies. Oh my gosh. Our property used to have a lot of sheep and goats. Egret right there in the middle. Getting closer, he's watching the dog. The dog's more interested in the sheep. I don't think the dog has noticed the egret yet. Oh, looking that way now. Very interested now. Okay, I better get off of here in case I got a buzzer. And now I'm on the other side of the field. You can see those cars. That's the main road to our town, between our town and the town next door. And it's just like a couple properties over. So we learned to turn it out for the most part, but every once in a while, if you pay attention, you'll hear the traffic when you're down at our house. That silver building right there behind it is a small airport. So we have police helicopters coming out of there all the time. Small planes, that kind of stuff. And egret is still here. We're in the middle. Coco started to run over there, and I beeped her, and she stopped dead in her tracks. And I told her to come, and she just looked at me and looked at the egret. And then I beeped her again and said, come. And then she came. And now she's over here. Not paying attention to the sheep. The sheep ran over to the other side of the property. There's one left. Not paying attention to the sheep or the egret. But this right here, this little, you probably can't even see, I don't know if you can see this path through the grass. All the way down to the other side over there is a trail where the coyotes and the foxes come through. They come through a hole in the fence down there in the corner, and then they walk along this fence, and they come to a hole over there. Alerted the dogs next door. Coco was interested. She started to go over to the fence, but I buzzed her back. And she's not reactive to them. She's not reactive to very much, which is good. She doesn't bark. She doesn't ignore me. So that's good. The egret's pretty much just stayed in the middle of the field whole time, but still here. Here's a little better look at Kiwi. Kiwi used to live on our property. I don't know if he had so many cows or what at the time, but he lived over there. Our landlord had a male cow that was castrated, so Kiwi stayed over here with them. This bowl is massive. One time, we first moved in, because our fence around our backyard is falling apart and our landlord refuses to fix it. We first moved in, one of the panels were down, and a bull just came strolling in our yard, because they get through here. So he's puts all these concrete blocks here, but it doesn't really help because they move them. But because we had a female cow over here, the males kept jumping the fence. And so he came in our backyard, and my sister was like sitting there drinking coffee, and she was freaked out. He is massive if he stands up. Massive. They got a baby. He's relaxing in the saddle. Very interested in all these animals. Don't do anything. Oh my gosh, her and Z today, her brother, who you saw in the field, they played for like 2 hours today. They hadn't seen each other for like a week, since last weekend. Maybe, I don't know if that's true. Maybe they saw each other once during the week. I don't know, probably on Tuesday. It's funny though, because they live in the same house. But Z lives in my daughter's room. She lives in my room. And when my daughter's at work, Z's in his crate in her room. And so I can't deal with both of them. So I have to take them out separately during the day. So I take Coco out and let her walk in the field for like 15-20 minutes, and then I put her in, and then